This is the smallest gaming monitor in the world. It's roughly the size of a credit card, it runs over Wi-Fi and it's currently destroying my network. How does it work? Simple. A parent script on the laptop captures screen images, converts them into small data packets, and sends them via Wi-Fi to the router, which forwards them to the ESP32. Each packet includes a header with coordinates. While some packets may be lost during transmission, the ESP32 receives the majority and renders them directly onto the display.
Python. Arduino.
Okay.